Health and medicinal benefits of drinking green tea for weight loss and obesity control. Green tea for weight loss. Green tea is an extremely useful drink for weight loss, fat burning, dissolving triglycerides, lowering LDL cholesterol and stimulating metabolism. Green tea contains a chemical compound epigallagetokyne 3-gallate, EGCG, which is good for weight loss and obesity reduction. Green tea and its extract reduce the risk of heart disease. Polyphenols. The compound in green tea is helpful in reducing triglycerides that is responsible for fat formation. The combination of caffeine and green tea tends to convert fat into energy. It is advisable to take 2-3 cups of green tea in a day to shed your tummy fat. It's speeded up fat metabolism and good for weight loss and obese people. Green tea controls diabetes type 2. Green tea is the wonder food to check diabetes type 2. Green tea has starch-blocking effect, enhances insulin actions and control blood sugar level. It helps to get rid of excess fat that to the factor of diabetes. Green tea triggers insulin production, stimulates the pancreas and helps in normalization of blood sugar level. According to U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, EGCG stimulate the pancreas thereby facilitates insulin formation. The polysaccharides in green tea also lower blood sugar in the body. Scientists found that when green tea or black tea is given to rat for 3 months, it able to restrict the diabetic character. Researchers from the University of Massachusetts Amherst had shown in 2008 that tea inhibits alpha-glucosidase, an enzyme which makes glucose to absorb more slowly in the small intestine. Green tea also reduces the diabetes complications such as cardiovascular disease, cataract, joint problems, etc. Green tea for hair loss and hair fall. Green tea is having very powerful antioxidant which minimize the activity of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, known for hair loss and shrinking the size of hair. Drugs like Propecia lessens the activity of DHT but at the same time also invites side effects like lower libido and lesser semen production. The polyphenolic compounds of green tea acts as anti-inflammatory and stress buster. Research has shown that stress and inflammation result in hair fall. Green tea for fair skin. Skin aging and dry skin are caused by free radicals. These free radicals damage the cells. Pollution, exposure to sunlight, smoking, etc. leads to more damage your skin due to formation of excess free radicals. Antioxidants are the chemicals that counteract these free radicals. Green tea has plenty of free antioxidants flavonoids. It is also full of vitamins C, D, K and minerals such as zinc, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Green tea has high concentration of catechins that is anti-inflammatory and anti-aging. A study conducted by Arizona scientists show that a person who take green tea, there is a lesser chances of developing of skin cancer. Green tea is quite popular among models and supermodels as they are much more careful regarding their skins. Green tea also protects from UV rays. Green tea is also applied on the face to get radiant skin. Green tea good for memory. Green tea is a miracle food used since the ancient times for body-mind balance. It has proved scientifically by Yun Bei, scientist from the 3rd Military Medical University in Chongqing, China, that green tea is having antioxidant CGCG which boosts memory and spatial learning by brain cells formation. It has also proved the antioxidant CGCG helps in the production of neuron cells, thereby improves memory and spatial awareness. The effect of green tea on brain functioning is positive as it contains the L-theanine amino acid. This amino acid produces the alpha wave which calmer the mind. Drinking of green tea twice a day reduces cognitive impairments and it may wonder for the brain. Green tea recipes. For recipe of green tea, the ingredients used are: take 1/2 cup of dried leaves of green tea, 1 cup of water and small quantity of sugar. First of all, boil the water for 3-5 minutes. Add the said quantity of green tea. One may also add little quantity of sugar. Some people also add honey and lemon. All these make it a refreshing drink. Green tea prevents Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A report published in the Daily Telegraph shows that drinking of green tea reduces the vulnerability of Alzheimer's disease. The research carried out by Medicinal Plant Research Group at the School of Agriculture, Newcastle University along with the Scottish Crop Research Institute and the Indraprastha University, India. The researchers investigated that polyphenol compounds showing good impact on Alzheimer's patients. One of the studies also examined that taking green tea protects the brain cells from dying and restored the damage. 1. Green tea cures wrinkles. By sipping green tea means prevention of wrinkles, pimples and acne naturally. The EGCG chemical present in green tea prevents stimulation of matrix metalloproteinase, a collagen-digesting enzymes. Green tea helps to make you younger, healthier and give you pimple-free skin due to having packed of antioxidants. Green tea prevents tooth decay. Green tea for dental benefits is well researched. Green tea contains catechins which prevents bacterial activity against teeth. The chemical is also associated with the prevention of tooth decay and gum diseases. It has been proved by the Alfredo Mrabia, of Columbia University, in New York. The report was published in Preventive Medicine. A study conducted in University of Illinois, Chicago that explored that polyphenols present in green tea kills bad breath. In fact, it destroys the bacteria that caused halitosis or bad breath. Green tea also contains small quantity of natural fluoride that prevents tooth decay. Green tea for sclerosis. Green tea favors the treatment of multiple sclerosis. The chemicals polyphenol in green tea is good in the treatment of multiple sclerosis. EGCG also protects neuronal injury. The powerful antioxidant EGCG is known to boost immunity. The other antioxidants polyphenols, catechins and flavonoids boost the body's defense mechanism.